There are so many fabulous faraway places to see.
So many places to see.
Such as Mexico, Sweden, Hawaii, Japan and Capri.
Sweden, Japan and Capri.
There's so many exciting and wonderful places.
Mountains and jungles and desert oases. Pleasant as home is
It isn't but Rome is, so why stay there when there are so many fabulous faraway places to see? So many places to see. Why should Spain and Tahiti and Rio just be only names to you and me? I feel certain that people would be glad to know them.
So tell me, why don't we get up and go there?
Go to those fabulous places where we long to be,
Where we long to be, long to be.
Go to Bangkok and Hong Kong and Paris and Venice, Tokyo and Cairo and Lisbon and London. Wonderful, fabulous places we're longing to see. There are so many fabulous faraway places to see. So many places to see,
Such as
Siam, Siena, Vienna, Varuna, Java, Jamaica, Bombay, Barcelona. Wonderful,